Understanding variables in programming.
In programming, a variable is a placeholder for storing information. Think of it as a labeled box that can hold different types of data, like numbers or words. Variables let programmers manage and use information easily, making it possible to perform calculations, store results, and build interactive software.
Why variables are important?
Variables are essential because they help computers remember and manipulate information as a program runs. By storing and updating data in variables, programs become flexible and dynamic, allowing them to respond to user input, track scores in a game, or process large amounts of information efficiently.
How to use variables in code.
Most programming languages let you create a variable by giving it a name and assigning it a value. For example, in Python, you might write age equals 25. Here, age is the variable name and 25 is its value. Once defined, you can update its value or use it in calculations and decisions.
Types of data stored in variables.
Variables can store many types of data depending on what your program needs. Common examples include numbers for calculations, text for messages, and even more complex data like lists or collections. Some programming languages require you to specify the type, while others figure it out automatically.
Variables across different languages.
Although every programming language has its own way to declare and use variables, the general idea is always the same. Variables store and manage data. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, or another language, understanding variables is one of the most important skills for every beginner programmer.